Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Alipay Hong Kong app not updating. First, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then head over to your settings app. Then go to general, go to iPhone storage and make sure you have enough storage space for the update. Then restart your phone and try updating again from the App Store or your Google Play Store. On Android, you can clear the Google Play Store cache from settings. You can also sign out of the app and sign back into your App Store account. Now, if the update still does not work, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app, and then reinstall the app to the latest version. That's how you fix the Hong Kong app not updating. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.